So good morning students, welcome to your online mathematics class, and I hope everybody saw that bird flying, so catch hold of that bird. Okay, since it is rainy season and that bird is flying, so catch hold of that bird and see that it doesn't get wet. Okay students, so we'll start with the maths. So again, one more bird is flying, catch hold of that bird. Okay, so you can catch hold of that bird only when you understand maths carefully. Okay, so we're starting with this chapter 3, Rationalization by R.D.Sharma. Okay students, and one more thing students, I've already made clear that questions will be asked outside NCERT books. So it can be from RS, it can be from R.D.Sharma, it can be from NCERT exemplar. Questions will be definitely asked from outside the book, but not outside the syllabus. Okay, I'm repeating again. Questions will be definitely asked from outside the book, but not outside the syllabus. So study well. Okay, be serious for your mathematics and get good marks. Alright, so I'm starting with this first question. Question 3, simplify the following expressions. Okay, so first one is 11 plus root 11 into 11 minus root 11. So students, I told this formula and I've been telling this from again and again, that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So remember this. Okay, very important. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So starting with the first question. Okay, starting with the first question. So I will compare here 11 plus root 11 into 11 minus root 11. So you can easily compare. Let me change things so it will be easy for you to differentiate. We can easily compare. So what is a here? 11. What is b here? Root 11, not 11, root 11. 11 is not equal to root 11 students. Okay. Similarly, a plus b is here and a minus b is. Let me change things so it will be easy for you to differentiate. Alright, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so from here also you can see this a and b, so it is same students. Alright, a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So I can directly write now 11. So this will be a square, which means 11 square minus b square. So root 11 whole square students. Okay, so 11 square is 121 minus root 11. I told this law of the exponents. I've already explained this. Root a into root a is equal to a, which means 11 square I will write as root 11 into root 11, which is equal to 11. Okay, so I will write here 11. So I can subtract this. 1 minus 1 will give me 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And here I will get 1. Are you following students? So simple it is. Nothing difficult or nothing complicated in this. See to it carefully. Alright. Any step is not clear, you can ask. Okay, you can ask me, you can WhatsApp me, say this step is not clear, I will solve it. But simple. Okay, one more question I solve. See this second part. Okay, second part is also same. All these parts are same. So I'll solve this last part. So you're thorough with this concept. See now fifth. Let me change the ink. 1 minute. Okay, I'll solve this fifth part. So it is saying root. Okay. 1 minute students. So it is saying root 5. Right. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Right. So I can take this as a minus b. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to same students a square minus b square. Or if it is a plus b into a minus b, both the cases, whether you write a minus b first or later or a plus b first or later, does not make any difference. It is a square minus b square. Are you following? So I can write this directly now using this formula. Root 5 whole square. This is fifth question. Root 5 whole square, and this was first one. So root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So same thing students. root b into root b. See to your right, root b into root b is what? B. So root 5 square means what? Root 5 into root 5. So root 5 into root 5 will give me 5. So I will write here 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. I hope it is clear. So we will complete all of these questions, okay, and repeat this twice so that the concepts are clear. Okay, so I'll proceed now. So you can solve the question, students. Okay, now come to these type of questions also. You should know how to solve them also. So question number 4, first part says root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Okay, so this means root, okay, one more method I'll tell you in that previous question, students, if you want to know that. So we already solved using this formula, a plus b into a minus b. What I can do, I can expand the bracket also. See this? Expand. See at the end. So this is more like the steps are more. So you can solve this 11 multiplied by 11 minus root 11, right? Plus root 11 multiplied by 11 minus root 11. So the only thing is, first this 11 is multiplied by this whole bracket, then this root 11 is multiplied by this whole bracket. So I will suggest that you do by this method, which I have already explained using the algebraic formulas. This method is also correct. The only thing is it is lengthy and chances of error are more. So you multiply by this 11 into 11, 121, then plus minus minus 121 plus minus minus. So this will give me minus 11 root 11. Same thing here, root 11 into this 11 will give me 11 root 11 plus minus minus. So this is 11. So minus 11 root 11 and plus 11 root 11 is cancelled. So I'm left with 121 minus 11, which is equal to 110. So answer will be same, students. The only thing is the steps will be more and chances of error are more here. Here it is direct application of the formula, so you can save time also. But still, if you find this method easy, you can do this method. If you find this method easy, you can do this method. That is the beauty of mathematics. You can solve questions by different methods. The only condition is it should be correct and logical. Alright. Okay, so we'll proceed to next type of questions. Okay, so question number 4 that I was telling. Okay, so in this, let me change the ink. I will take this blue. Okay, so root 3 plus root 7 whole square. So I already told students a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. So I have already explained this in class. I am repeating again. Alright, so you understand it carefully this time. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus twice ab, and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus twice ab. So here this is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Second question, a minus b whole square. Third is a plus b whole square, students. So understood. So I'll solve first part. So root 3 plus root 7 whole square. So we will apply this formula, a plus b whole square directly. So a in place of a is root 3, in place of b you have root 7. So a square, alright, plus b square, alright, plus twice a. What is the value of a? Root 3. What is the value of b? Root 7. So already explained, root 3 square will give me 3. Root 7 square will give me 7. Plus another law you should keep in mind. Let me change the ink. Always remember root a into root b. Now it is different. So this will become root ab. If it is root a into root a, then it is a, students. If it is root b into root b, then it is b. If it is different, root a multiplied by root b, this is different. So this will be root ab. So from here I will write now, see carefully, 2 into root 3 into root 7. So I can write this as 2 root 21, because 3 7s are 21. So 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 2 root 21. Are you following? See it carefully, students. Okay. Now, similarly, second question you will solve 5 minus root 3 whole square. Alright. So, I will write, okay, I'll change the ink. take green ink. Okay, second, it is saying root 5 minus root 3 whole square. So a minus b whole square directly. A minus b whole square, written in your formula, students. See, a square plus b square minus twice a into b. So what is the value of a? Root 5. What is the value of b? Root 3. Now we can solve this. Root 5 square will give me 5. Root 3 square will give me 3. Minus 2. 5 into root 5 into root 3 is 15. So 5 plus 3 is what, students? 8. 8 minus 2 root 15. You cannot add this because here you have square root. Okay. You will only add like terms. I had already explained, students. Okay. Are you following? So in this way, you can complete these questions and the previous questions, students. Okay. Tomorrow we will solve more questions. I hope you have followed. In case any doubt, you can always ask, students. Okay. So thank you, students. Be disciplined, study well, and be good students.